Let's take a look at this example. Instead of micro, I'm going to use power of 10 like always. So I have to write this example like 0.022 times 10 to negative 6 farads. And I have to convert micro to nano. Nano represents power of 10, 10 to negative 9. That's why I'm going to write over here 10 to negative 9 farads. Next, I'm supposed to copy this number down, and I have 0.022 times 10 times. Again, I'm supposed to find the number which added to negative 9 is going to give me negative 6. That number is 3. 3 plus negative 9 gives me negative 6. That's why I can write this number as 0.022 times 10 to the third nanofarads. But this number looks kind of ugly. I do not want to have 0 on the left side of decimal point. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to move my decimal point 3 times to right. Why 3 times to right? Because I'm going to get the number 22 times 10 to the negative 3. Remember, anytime the number is getting bigger, exponent has to get smaller. So instead of write, the number like this, I'm going to write this number in this form, okay, with power of 10. Times, copy down whatever we have over here, 10 to the third nanofarads. Next, I'm supposed to use the properties of exponents. Keep in mind that anytime we have multiplication of two numbers which have the same base, we're supposed to keep the base and add exponents. That's why I'm going to have 22 times 10, negative 3 plus 3 is 0 nanofarads. 10 to 0 is equal 1. 1 times 22 is just 22. That's why my answer is 22 nanofarads. Now let's take a look at the second part of the example. Again, I'm going to start from 0.022 times 10 to negative 6 farads, and I'm supposed to convert this to 10 to negative 12 pico. So what I'm going to do, again, I'm going to copy down 0.22 times 10 times farads, of course. And ask myself question, what number added to negative 12 is going to give me negative 6? The answer is 6. 6 plus negative 12 gives me negative 6. That's why I'm going to write this number as 0.022 times 10 to the 6th, and instead of 10 to negative 12, because this power of 10 represents my prefix, I'm going to write over here pico farads. Again, this number looks ugly because I do not want to have 0 on the left side of the decimal point. That's why I'm going to write this number as 22 times 10 to negative 3, exactly like we had over here, times, copy down whatever we have over here, times 10 to the 6th picofarads. Next, I'm supposed to use the properties of exponents. Remember, anytime we have the same base, we're supposed to add exponents when we have multiplication. That's why I have 22 times 10 minus 3 plus 6 gives me 3 picofarads. And this is the solution to the problem.